That shit was funny. They said, wait a minute, that motherfucker's pistol ain't stopped shooting yet. Modern Warfare 1 mods for you, ladies and gentlemen. This is going straight to YouTube, huh, Rocco? How did this happen? Did anybody do this?
Nah, I just, I guess fucking, the game glitch where you don't gotta reload anything.
This is fucking crazy. They better not call in no choppers. Oh, Rocco.
Oh shit, automatic.
Look at those missiles, dude.
Oh, she got reloaded.
What happened? Oh, it stopped.